Hello students, today we are going to study about the poem Try Again 2.1 from our textbook. The poem is written by W. E. Hiskan. First of all, we discuss about the difficult words in the poem. Teach. Teach is a short form of a it eats. And the another word here is heed. Heed means to pay attention, means laksh dene. The third one is preserve. Preserve means trying till one achieve. To achieve, try for achieve, or keep trying till one achieves. The next one is strive. Try very hard or make a struggle to achieve it. कठीण किंवा मेहनतीने प्रयत्नाने करणे. And then next, patience. Patience means capacity to accept delay without losing hope. संयम बाळगणे या अर्थानं संयमानं घेणे किंवा संयम बाळगणे, यशासाठी सक्सेससाठी संयम बाळगणे या अर्थानं. In this poem, the poet W. E. Hiskan tells us to struggle or to make efforts. For your success, you will try again and again. So first of all, we are going to discuss about the poem line by line. Tis a lesson you should need try again. It is a lesson for you, and you should pay attention on it. If at first you don't succeed, try again. And it is a lesson for you, you should pay attention on it. And at the first attempt, you don't succeed, you should try again. Here, you should try again. When you are failure in your first attempt, at that time you don't become the nervous, you should try again for your success. Then your courage should appear, for if you will preserve. Then your courage should appear that time, for if you will preserve. When you can try again, to whenever you cannot achieve, you will succeed, you will try again and again to conquer that your courage, and you will try again and again, hardly to accept the success. You will conquer, never fear, try again. You will never conquer, never fear, you will conquer. You make firm decisions, you may firm about your success, you have never fear, and you will try again and again for your success. And you don't accept the failure, you will preserve, you will pay attention, you will work hard for your success, and for that you will try again and again. Once or twice, though you should fail, try again. And once or twice in your appearance, once or twice, though you should fail, try again. If you will at last prevail, try again. You may not successful in once or twice. You may fail. You should try again for your success. If you will at last prevail, try again. And that is your last attempt. At that time, you will also try and again and again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. Thought we do not win the race. What should we do in the case? Try again. If we strive, 'tis no disgrace. We are trying hard and hard. It is no disgrace. Though we do not win the race, and you will try again and again. It is not a last race. You can win the race. What should we do in the case? In that case, what you can do for the success, you should try again. If you find your task is hard, try again. And you know that the work or the task you selected, that is hard. That time you should try again and again and make the hard work to achieve the success. Time will bring you your reward. Try again. And whenever you are fighting, you are struggling for your success, that is the one time, that time can brings you your reward of a success. All that other folk can do, all that folk means all that society can do that work, why? With patience may not you? You may have the patience in you. You can work hard. You can try again and again as like the folks in the society can do. You may have the patience. You may accept the success whenever you are going to trying again and again and achieving the goal. For the achieving the goal, for the acceptance of your success, you should try again and again. Only keep this rule in view. Try again and again. Only to keep this view in your mind, that you will be succeeded in a time. But for that, we are trying again and again. So, we discuss about the questions given in this poem. So, write down the answers of these questions into your notebook. What should you do when you fail at first? Write 4 to 5 lines answer of this question into your notebook. The second one, when do we generally feel ashamed? Then, next one, what rules must be always keep in mind? So students, there is a simple example to understand this poem. When we are small childs, when we are a very small childs and we are trying to the bicycle. At the first attempt, we cannot ride on a bicycle, we can fail again and again. But we can do efforts again and again, we can do it. And at the last or at the end, we can achieve the goal, or we can able to ride the bicycle. It is the fit example to understand the poem. And the poet W.E. Hickson says that, like this example, you should try again and again your life to achieve or to make to achieve the goal in your life. You don't be accept failure. You don't be nervous. You should achieve your goal. For that, you will try again and again and do any task. Select any task, or for that success you will try again and again. Work hard. It is essential to achieve the optimistic goal of our life, and try again and again to achieve the life